Shorty said she coming with her breakfast, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no lover. I just wanna make the moolah la.
Welcome everybody, this is my first video. I know. I'm so sorry, like this semester was just one for the books. So I was supposed to start this hair channel when I made the Instagram poll in February and it's May, so it will mainly be about how to maintain healthy 4C hair and overall other talks about leveling up, education, school, just like building a successful career for yourself. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and then come and play back. So enjoy the party. We're gonna be spreading a lot of knowledge, a lot of positivity. I try to make sure that all of my information is factual and then it's not just opinions. And I also try to make the information applicable. So especially with the hair talks, I'll be talking about things that I've actually done with my hair. So not things that I just saw on the internet, things that I've actually done with my healthy hair journey. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be talking about how hair products have made my hair journey. Honestly, this is like one of the biggest things that people overlook when they start their natural hair journey. And like, ask yourself, like, do you really think about your products that you use like that? Or do you just buy it because a YouTuber told you to buy it? Or because a natural influencer told you to buy it? Or because everybody's saying it's good? Do you really think about what in the products make it so good? Unlocking that knowledge was what really helped me save so much money and still grow a lot of hair and grow really healthy, full and luscious natural hair without having to worry about it being necessarily like damaged or it not being moisturized and all that. So these are like two of my biggest product secrets, things that I just look for in products like just work for 4C hair. There are things that will make sure that you have the moisture that you need, the softness, the sheen, the nice, soft, malleable 4C hair that God blessed us with, you know? The first one I would say is the first thing I'll be looking for in hair products that have really made my hair journey is emollients. And basically emollients are, with its natural chemical property, I'm kind of going into chemistry, but like what it basically does is that its natural chemical property is to soften your hair, make your hair have the sheen, less frizzy, soft and malleable. And basically with this, the key to having emollients in your hair regimen is that it will help your hair be easily detangleable and you won't have a lot of tangles, a lot of split ends, you won't have a lot of like single strand and double strand knots. So like examples of emollients are like hydrolyzed proteins. They're found in our usual detanglers, and a lot of times to use the emollients and moisturizers. So you see some natural emollients like castor oils, or you would also see natural emollients like maybe shea butter and other things that just have that natural ability to really soften your hair, prevent frizz, and help your hair be tangle free. So that's the first thing that I usually look for. And then the second thing, even if you're not 4C, you should definitely still have this in your natural hair regimen, like is humectant. So humectant, with its natural chemical property, it naturally absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. So when it's just there by itself, all it's doing the whole time it's there by itself is that it's absorbing moisture from the atmosphere. And then what this does on your natural hair is that as it's in your hair, as you apply it to your hair, it's gonna absorb moisture from the atmosphere, so your hair will stay moisturized for a longer period of time. And this, for my 4C hair ladies, we need this because we don't want to moisturize our hair every single night. We are busy ladies, we have things to do, and a lot of times we just forget. So having a humectant in your hair regimen is definitely going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money. And the great news about humectants is that they're so accessible, so cheap, and yeah, examples of humectants that I use to this day: Castor Oil, #1, Shea Butter, #1, 2. They're both like competing for #1 spot. They're really good. They really make your hair stay moisturized for a longer period of time. Your hair will not have a lot of issues when it comes to moisture, retaining moisture, and your hair will just look great. So these are some tips on hair products that are really, really, really going to make your hair flourish and bloom and just look beautiful, you know? Like, God has given us such a great gift, our hair, and it's just up to us to take care of it. So having these little nuggets of knowledge can take us a really long way. And I hope I saved you some money. I hope you learned something new. Like this video if you learned something new, and I plan on dropping a part 2 to this video. Anyways, I hope you learned something. Hope you have a blessed day, and bye.
She coming with a breakfast cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make